Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sari Hatun, a student of English Education Study Program STKIP PGRI Pacitan. In this special occasion, I would like to present about my presentation with the title An Analysis of Pronunciation Errors of English Silent Letters to the 10th grade of SMKN 3 Pacitan in the academic year of 2021-2022. Well, my presentation consists of introduction, formulation of the problem, objectives of the research, methodology, and findings. First is introduction. Language is used by humans as the main communication tool in interacting with other people. One of the most important language to learn is English. English is an international language used to communicate between one and another. English has 4 basic skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. In learning English speaking, it cannot be separated from mastery of pronunciation. Pronunciation is a way of producing the sound of a word. Pronunciation is important to be mastered because mispronouncing even one letter in a word can lead to different meanings. In pronunciation, there are silent letters. Silent letters are letters that are not sounded in English words, such as letter D in the word Wednesday. Mastering English pronunciation is not easy. That's why students still often make pronunciation, especially in silent letters. So, the types of errors and the causes of errors need to be identified. Next, formulation of the problem. There are 3 formulations of the problem. The first, what are the types of pronunciation errors made by the 10th grade students of SMKN 3 Pacitan in the academic year of 2021-2022 in pronouncing silent letters C, D, E, and T? Second, what are the most dominant pronunciation errors made by the 10th grade students of SMKN 3 Pacitan in the academic year of 2021-2022 in pronouncing silent letters C, D, E, and T? And the third, what are the causes of pronunciation errors made by the 10th grade students of SMKN 3 Pacitan in the academic year of 2021-2022? Next, there are 3 objectives of this research. The first one is to find out the types of pronunciation errors made by the 10th grade students of SMKN 3 Pacitan in the academic year of 2021-2022 in pronouncing silent letters C, D, E, and T. The second one, to describe the most dominant errors made by the 10th grade students of SMKN 3 Pacitan in the academic year of 2022 in pronouncing silent letters C, D, E, and T. And the third, to find out the causes of pronunciation errors made by the 10th grade students of SMKN 3 Pacitan in the academic year of 2021-2022. Next, about methodology. This research used descriptive qualitative research design. The subject of this research was the 10th TBK or Tata Boga students of SMKN 3 Pacitan. Data collection technique are recording, questionnaire, and observation. The instrument of the research are mobile phone, questionnaire sheet, and field note. And then data analysis technique are data reduction, data display, and conclusion. To analyze the types of errors, the researcher used surface strategy taxonomy by Duley. Next, about findings. Based on the result of the pronunciation test, there are 1,120 pronunciations made by students, and from a total of pronunciations, there were 375 errors made by students. In silent letter C, there are 158 errors with the percentage of 42%. In silent letter T, there are 52 errors with a percentage of 14%. In silent letter E, there are 64 errors or about 17%. And in silent letter T, there are 101 errors with a percentage of 27%. Next, total of errors in the type of survey strategy taxonomy. In omission type, there are 5 errors or about 1%. In addition types, there are 257 errors or about 69%. In misformation type, there are 110 errors or about 29%. And in misordering types, there are 3 errors or about 1%. Next, conclusion. The results showed that there were 375 pronunciation errors made by students. The errors consist of 4 types of silent letters. Those are silent letter C was 158 errors or about 42%. Silent letter D was 52 errors or about 14%. Silent letter E was 64 errors or about 17%. And silent letter T was 101 errors or about 27%. And then the most dominant pronunciation errors are in words containing silent letter C. There were 158 errors. And then there are 4 causes of students' pronunciation errors. Those are students' difficulty in English vocabulary mastery, students' lack of understanding of pronunciation, the difference between spelling and pronunciation in English, and students' lack of motivation to learn pronunciation. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.